is Heather and I'm the Children's Specialist at the Tewksbury Public Library. Welcome back to another Maker Craft where today we'll be making marshmallow or pom-pom launchers. Today you'll need a cup. It could be a plastic cup, it could be a cardboard cup. If you're someone who eats yogurt at your house, it could be a recycled yogurt cup. You also need a balloon, and you need some pom-poms or marshmallows. These will be your things to launch. And you'll need a pair of scissors. Let's get started. If you're using a cup that's a little more bendy, like this one's really bendy as you can see, I like to double up the cup because that will help make it strong, and that will help have a good support base for your marshmallow or your pom-pom to launch from. So double up your cup if you have something that's not too strong. If you're using a yogurt cup, that's something that's stronger and that's not going to bend. So get your cup ready, get your scissors ready, and you are going to cut off the bottom part of your cup. So I'm just going to open up my scissors nice and wide, and I'm just going to start cutting. This is a really good thing to have a grown-up help with, especially because if you're using a plastic cup, the edges will get kind of sharp. You can see right there I have some kind of jagged edges. So when in doubt, have a grown-up help you out. Next thing, I'm going to get my balloon ready. So I'm going to hold it like this. I'm going to tie a knot from the open end, maybe about an inch up from there. So I'm going to pull it. I'm going to make a loop with my fingers. I'm going to push through the opening, and there I have my knot. That looks pretty good to me. Next, turn your balloon, find the top of it, take about maybe a centimeter's worth, not too much, from the top, and you're just going to snip that straight off. And so now you're ready to build your launcher. To build your launcher, you'll take your balloon, open it up. Sometimes it's easy to maneuver if you can put your hands in there. And you're going to stretch that right over the top of your cup. So if you're using a doubled up cup like I am, you're going to put it right over the part where you'd usually drink from. All right, there we go. Now I'm going to try to make it so that this part here is more in the middle. That looks better to me. It doesn't have to be on there super tight, just as long as you have some coming up the sides. That way you know that the balloon's not going to fall off while you're trying to launch your marshmallow or your pom-pom. And so you can take a look and see how mine is stretched out right around there. And now you're ready for the fun part. So to launch your marshmallow or your pom-pom, put it right inside, right in the middle there, and pull back with this part, and you'll get a better launch if your marshmallow or pom-pom goes inside this sort of tornado-shaped area of the balloon. And so you'll pull back, and then you'll launch it. That one didn't go so well because I had it turned so that you could see. But usually if you keep it upright, it shoots a lot further. I hope you had a lot of fun making a marshmallow or a pom-pom launcher today. I'm not sure if you saw, but that was a much more successful launch because I had it more upright and I was able to pull and release, and that was a good launch for me. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I hope to see you all soon. Thank you. Bye.